the St. Stephen's Church, and it's one of the oldest churches in the city. Not many are still aware of it, and it is right next to the school, St. Thomas's School, Khidrpur, which was founded in 1789, but it came here much later. And the church, before it was connected to the school, it was founded in 1844. It was completed, I think, in 1846. Foundation stone laid by Governor General Harding and the Reverend Bishop Calcutta. Yeah. My name is Sheikh Sohail. I'm a resident of Khidrpur, and I lived here all my life. And I happen to also conduct some heritage historical tours in the city. And so I'm also a student of where we are right now. So let me tell you about it. It's something unique about this church because this is very close to the port area, okay, where we have a lot of seafaring people coming in. The river is not very far from here. So it is supposed to be, and it is always referred to as the sailors' church or the seamen's church, right? Because it was one of the first Christian churches that one could come across if an Englishman or a European is coming into the city. The river is somewhere over there, okay? And we have the Tolly's Nala going right behind it actually. Also worth noting about this church is that it has its origins are Anglican, very true, heavily Anglican. How it was set up, it was earlier a chaplaincy, and then it became a parish church in somewhere around 1870s. Yeah, about 25 years after it was consecrated. And even today, the mass is in the service is still in only English. And there is, there are very core Anglican traditions around how the service is run and managed. So there are Eucharist, there is a sung Eucharist, and so on. Which is, you would if you go to other churches, bigger churches, you would see service happening in other languages too, especially Bangla and somewhere in Hindi. But this church has kind of maintained its age-old tradition and still holds service in very Anglican ways. Something unique about the architecture. It has also been referred locally as, if you look at it, as a rocket church because of the way it is shaped, because of the way its pinnacle is shaped. And something which sets it apart from other churches is because in the right there up in the pinnacle, it usually churches they will have a bell, but here in this case it was shaped like a lantern, and it is believed that there used to be a time when actually a lantern was lit and you could see it by people coming in the ships. They could actually see its light, and they were guided by it. So, which is why the Sailors' Church and the Seamen's Church. This neighborhood itself is very closely attached to the seafaring community, and we have so many people living around. Very next to it is the orphan school, which is known as the Orphan Ganj Market even today. The old military orphan school set up by the British.